Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we're giving you an update on the Pinnacle commercial complex. Now the tall structure behind us, the green building, that is the Pinnacle. That is Tower 1 and it is soaring. It is now at 20 floors on its way to 28 floors. But this small building at the bottom, 3 stories, is a commercial center. It's a mall that is being built along with the towers. It's going to be a luxury, basically a high-end mall. So today we are going to give you an update on this development. Now it's very close to completion. I think the official deadline was August, but we are now in August. But it's going to be finished this year, and it's going to be opened before the towers are finished. Looks very close to being completed actually. Major construction has finished. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And this mall, it's going to have its own entrance. So it's open to the public as well as persons from the Pinnacle development. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour as we go through an article that gives more information on this mall. So the commercial complex is going to be a standalone facility. It will be a part of the Pinnacle development, but it will also have its own entrance so that the public can basically easily access the commercial complex. Now in essence, it's going to be a mall. And you know in Jamaica you need 3 things for a successful mall or plaza. 1, you need a supermarket. And this facility, 3 stories, 3,800 square feet, this facility will have a supermarket. The second thing you need food stores. And this facility will have restaurants and cafes. And the third thing is you need to build a plaza or mall in a populated area. And with 4 towers at 28 floors literally next door, and this development, the mall is being built in a populated area. And the Reading area of Montego Bay is also a very populated area. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. The Pinnacle Commercial Complex, currently under development in the upscale Reading area of Montego Bay, Jamaica, is a key feature of one of the most transformative real estate projects on the island. As a commercial arm of the broader Pinnacle mixed-use development, which is valued at approximately US $350 to $450 million, this state-of-the-art complex is poised to redefine how Jamaicans and visitors experience integrated urban living along the country's northwestern coast. The Pinnacle Commercial Complex is being developed by LCH Developments as part of a long-term vision to create a self-sustaining luxury community that blends residential, commercial, and lifestyle amenities. Located on the Reading Peninsula, the complex sits on prime coastal land with easy access to downtown Montego Bay and the Sangster International Airport. The development has been carefully planned to provide convenience, economic stimulation, and modern services to both residents of the Pinnacle and the wider Montego Bay community. This commercial plaza is designed as a standalone facility, featuring its own dedicated entrance to ensure accessibility for the public. The project's mission is clear: to bridge the gap between luxury residential living and accessible community amenities while stimulating commercial growth outside the already congested city center. Spanning approximately 3,800 square meters, the commercial complex will house a carefully curated selection of retail shops, dining establishments, essential service providers, and offices. Among the expected tenants are a full-service supermarket, a pharmacy, cafes and restaurants, financial institutions and bank branches, and boutique retail stores. Importantly, this commercial center also acts as the anchor for the rest of the Pinnacle development, which includes 4 28-story residential towers, a private marina, and a luxury clubhouse. As the first component scheduled to open, the commercial complex is setting the tone for the quality, accessibility, and lifestyle the Pinnacle intends to deliver. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.